Unveiling the Kaaba, architectural wonders and spiritual insight. You've probably seen this iconic cube, the structure at the very heart of the Islamic world. But what if I told you that beyond the black silk and golden door lies a history that stretches back millennia and architectural secrets that seem to defy time? Every stone, every angle, and even its simple shape holds a deeper spiritual meaning. So let's go beyond the surface and unveil the architectural wonders and spiritual insights of the Kaaba, the ancient foundations. To truly understand the Kaaba, we have to journey way back. According to Islamic tradition, the Kaaba was first built by the Prophet Ibrahim, that's Abraham, and his son, Ismail. The Quran tells us it was the first house of worship designated for all of humanity. Following God's command, they raised its foundations in the barren valley of Mecca, creating a sanctuary for the worship of one God. Tradition says an angel brought the black stone to Ibrahim, which he set in the building's eastern corner. Another incredible artifact from that time is the Maqam Ibrahim, or the Station of Abraham, which is believed to mark the spot where he stood while building. These two items are thought to be the only remnants of that original structure. However, the Kaaba that Ibrahim and Ismail built wasn't the cube we know today. It was a simple, unroofed rectangular building. Over the centuries, its shape would change, molded by both nature and history. A history of reconstructions, the Kaaba we see today wasn't built in a day. It has been damaged and rebuilt several times. A major reconstruction happened around the year 605 CE by the Quraysh, the ruling tribe of Mecca. Working with limited funds, they changed the shape to the cube we now recognize and added a roof for the first time. This is also when they raised the door high above the ground to protect it from floods and to control who could enter. A young prophet Muhammad, before his prophethood, actually helped with this rebuilding, famously settling a dispute over who would have the honor of placing the black stone. It was damaged by fire and rebuilt again around 683 CE by Abdullah ibn al-Zubayr, who returned it to Ibrahim's original rectangular foundation and added a second door. But just a decade later, in 693 CE, it was rebuilt again, returning to the smaller cubic shape of the Quraysh, with a single elevated door. The structure that stands today was largely established after another reconstruction in 1631 CE, following devastating floods. A major renovation also occurred in 1996, where the ancient stones were preserved while the structure was reinforced with modern materials. Architectural marvels. Don't let its simple shape fool you. The Kaaba is an architectural wonder. It's a cuboid structure made of local granite with a floor and interior walls of marble, standing about 13.1 meters or 43 feet high. Its corners are roughly aligned with the four cardinal directions. The outside is draped in the Kiswah, a majestic black silk cloth embroidered with gold Quranic verses that's replaced every year. And that stunning door? It was crafted in 1982 from nearly 300 kilograms of solid gold. Step inside and the outside world just melts away. The space is intimate and profound. 3 strong wooden pillars support the roof, and a few gold and silver lamps, gifted by rulers over centuries, hang from the ceiling. The walls are clad in white marble, topped with a green silk curtain embroidered with golden inscriptions. With no windows, it's a space completely separated from the outside world. Spiritual insights. But the real wonder of the Kaaba isn't in its stones or its gold. It's in what it represents. For over 2 billion Muslims, it's the Qibla, the single direction they face for their 5 daily prayers. This shared orientation creates a powerful, unifying connection that binds the global Muslim community in one act of devotion. It's crucial to know that the Kaaba itself isn't worshipped. It's a powerful symbol of the oneness of God and the unity of His believers. The ritual of circling the Kaaba 7 times, known as Tawaf, is a core part of the Islamic pilgrimage. This act is often compared to the orbits of planets and stars, a microcosm of the universe revolving around a single divine center, symbolizing that all of life should revolve around God, the heart of the Muslim world. And all of this culminates during the Hajj, the annual pilgrimage to Mecca, which is a fundamental pillar of Islam. Every year, millions of pilgrims from every corner of the globe gather at this sacred site. They wear simple white garments, erasing all distinctions of wealth, status, and nationality. It's one of the most powerful displays of spiritual equality and unity on earth. The Quran describes the Kaaba as a place of safety and a spiritual center that draws believers back to their source. Conclusion. The Kaaba is so much more than a building. It's a testament to an enduring faith, an architectural marvel, and the spiritual heart of a global community. From the ancient stones laid by prophets to its golden door, it's a symbol of humility, unity, and the deep connection between humanity and the divine. If this journey gave you a new perspective, please like this video, subscribe for more content that explores faith and history, and share it with anyone who might be curious. What aspect of the Kaaba do you find most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below.